I'm gonna prove how many Rubik's Cube combinations are possible legally and illegally. So let's go. So first, we need a Rubik's Cube to explain this to you. Okay, we got our cube. So let's start our mathematical breakdown. A standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube has 8 corner pieces, 12 edge pieces and 6 fixed center pieces that don't move. Let's calculate the number of ways we can arrange these pieces but only using legal moves like normal twists. So corner permutations is 8 factorial which is equal to 40,320 and corner orientations is 3 to the power of 7 because 1 is dependent and that is equal to 2187 and edge permutations is 12 factorial and that is equal to 479 million and edge orientations is 2 to the power of 11 because last one is dependent, so that is equal to 2048 and overall parity constraint is divided by 2 and fixed center don't move, so no effect. So the total number of illegal combinations is 8 factorial times 3 to the power of 7 times 12 factorial times 2 to the power of 11 divided by 2 which is equal to 43 quintillion states you can reach by turning the cube, and the exact number is this number that is in the screen right now. So this is the number that speedcubers, apps and the Guinness World Record refer to. But here's where things get interesting. If you swap the edges of a cube or twisted a corner of a cube, you technically have a solvable looking cube which has color on each side. But it's completely unsolvable by legal moves. And that brings to an even more bigger number. If we ignore all restrictions like parity, orientation rules, even solvability, we can calculate the number of possible colored states of the cube. So corner permutations is 8 factorial and corner orientations is 3 to the power of 8 and edge permutations is 12 factorial and edge orientations is 2 to the power of 12 and that gives us 8 factorial times 3 to the power of 8 times 12 factorial times 2 to the power of 12 and that is 5.19 times 10 to the power of 41. Most of them are illegal. They can't be solved with normal moves because the cube was messed up beyond the laws of Rubik. This isn't just a trivia. It's why every official cube is assembled carefully with the right orientation and parity. If one piece is off, the whole cube becomes a cursed nightmare and no amount of algorithm knowledge can save you. For example, we have Rubik's Cube is scrambled right now. So this scrambled Rubik's Cube is scrambled in a legal way because I did it by turning the Rubik's Cube but not twisting any corners of it. So I'm gonna solve it in front of you to prove you this is a legal combination. Okay, I have solved this cube right now. So let us try to scramble it a little bit and twist a corner. So this is unsolvable right now. I can't even solve because this is an illegal combination. So I can't solve it by a legal way. So this is the difference between illegal and legal. So the next time someone says there are 43 quintillion possibilities of cube, you can say there are technically 10 to the power of 41 but most of them are unsolvable. Cube math is pretty wild, right?